Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. We feature only the craziest moments scored on BIKERS camera, and this episode won't disappoint when it comes to that. So sit back and enjoy this one. Just as the biker was about to open his gas cap, this happened. A huge gas leak. But the biker's reflexes were on point here.
Так, не курить. Всем отойти с сигаретами.
It's not your everyday sight to see a horse in the middle of the road. Enjoy this one.
Hey there. You need to move to the side. Yeah.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Careful.
Leave me alone.
Bye. Bruh. Thank you. I'm fine. That was so dangerous. Like pop curb just sticking out. Go on.
A lack of patience only gets you as far as this. Please, don't act like this bus driver here.
Come on, man.
Some people must lead really careless lives to be acting like this, as if he's the only one on the road. This is a clear example on how to properly disrespect a biker when you spot one on the road. Note to all the drivers out there, always avoid acting like this trucker here. Driver behaved as if it was a life or death situation on the road. He only caused more panic with this type of driving. A lot of crazy things can happen when you ride out with your friends, and you can never be prepared enough. One biker in particular injured, well, see for yourselves.
You good? Huh?
Oh, I hit my nuts so hard.
He hit his nuts stupid hard. He's right here, bro. He smacked his nuts.
I'm coming.
That was the worst.
Bro, what happened?
He smacked his nuts. Stupid.
Oh, I thought that he dumped his bike.
No, he like destroyed his nuts.
Bro, can I please suck on them to make them feel better?
Bro, that's why when I said I was like, he smashed nuts, I'm on my way.
It doesn't cost you anything, and it surely won't hurt you to stop and help someone in need of some help. Hats off to this biker here.
You good? Yeah, be safe.
It's not like the bike is noisy enough. This lady just ignored the biker straight up and refused to move over. This is what happened.
It's only a game. Why did you care?
Headphones are definitely not needed in order to cross the road safely. Actually, they are not even recommended.
Excuse me, what the actual are you doing on my house?
Wow, what the was that, mate? If it. Yeah, that's proper corner cut, mate. And that's proper giving me priority, mother. Thank you. Thank you for that. The f are you doing, mate? In hell. Oh, he's going nice. Oh, that was close, man. Hey, that was close, man. For f***'s sake, stop going out in front of the bus.
No one said that the life of an average biker is boring. This video is yet another proof of it.
Hey, mate, what the f is he doing? Like, seriously though.
NANI?
Tá desgraça. Realmente mesmo, cara. Ainda bem que bateu só no pneu aqui só. Ah, fala sério. Eita bagaço.
Some drivers confuse the red light with the green way too often nowadays.
É foda.
We have a really skilled street performer here, and I can say that it takes a lot of dedication to reach a level like he did.
Caraca, olha a altura do negócio. Tá, poxa. Isso eu nunca tinha visto, hein, cara. Doideira. E a bolinha lá em cima tá girando, não tá parada não. É. Rapaz.
This is why mirrors are there on your vehicles. It's not for decoration, but for you to pay attention at them and keep everyone safe, including yourself. Yet another proof that a lot of bikers are being looked down on in traffic. They are a part of traffic as any other drivers are.
Pendejo, guess this way! Como que se aguadó esta cosa. La veo muy guanga. Así no estaba. La del celular. Está muy guanga.
Help me! Help me!
¿Está bien?
Estoy bien, no me pasa nada.
Mira, sí estaba guanga. ¿Qué te dije?
Sí.
Por ir haciendo... Agárralo. No te golpees.
When you want to take a risk, but it comes around and bites you instantly. This situation is a depiction of that. Biker doesn't need any more cardio after this, and I'm sure he'll think twice next time. Even bikers just want to ride out and have some fun. These guys went out and tried to pick up some girls for a free ride, and this is how the evening turned out to be for them, and for the ladies as well.
Я думаю, что нормально будет. Can you give you a helmet?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. Да, без шлема никуда. Is this cool?
Really cool.
Okay. Good. You like it? Very cool. Yeah, maybe you want to ride again sometime? Yeah? Can you give me your number? Instagram, yeah, okay. With your phone?
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it and learning something out of all the mistakes made by these people. If you support my work, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.